have had the pleasure of presenting hundreds of homes to you guys. I have personally been in thousands of homes. This next one is by far my most favorite. It is located in Airdrie's most sought after community of Thornburn, right next to East Lake, and it is fantastic. It is the home that inspired me to do the renovation on my 1980 4-level split. This is a 1980 4-level split, over 2,000 square feet with a $200,000 renovation and so much more. Come on. Welcome to 59 Tucker Road, located on Airdrie's quietest street. This home has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, the original hardwood flooring, central air conditioning, 3 decks with a hot tub, artificial turf, a massive lot, backing a lane, heated oversized garage, a pop filler, and so much more. Come with me.